Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to verify your age on your iPhone and confirm that you're 18 years old or older. So this is helpful if your iPhone is asking for age verification after an iOS update or if you need to change content restrictions. So first, open up the settings app on your iPhone near the top of the screen and then look for the confirm your 18 plus option and then tap on it. And then you'll see a message explaining that you must confirm that you're an adult before changing content restrictions or downloading certain apps. So tap continue, then follow the instructions on the screen, and you may be asked to verify your age using a credit card already connected to your Apple account. And you may also have the option to use an identification document such as a driver's license or passport, and then add the required information and wait for the verification to finish. So once your information is accepted, the confirmation message should disappear, and then your age will be verified. And also, just a quick note, the confirm your 18 plus option is intended for users who are already 18 years old or older. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.